YouTubers. So I am sitting down to do a video that I have not done one of these in so long. I kind of got into a Stella rut where I felt like I was buying all of the new collections all of the time, and I felt like so many of the pieces I had looked so similar that I wasn't getting good use out of them. So I did go through and do a whole clean out, and I am going to do somewhere, I have to figure out where, a sample sale, because I can't do it like on Instagram or Poshmark or anything like that. It might have to be a Facebook closed group. Let me know if you're interested in that. I have a ton of stuff that I'm going to get rid of. But that being said, my thought process is I am going to kind of pare down and only get pieces that are different or unusual or that I really feel like I could use. That being said, they came out with a new collaboration. They have done one previously that was a few pieces with Rebecca Minkoff, and I love her stuff anyway. And now they came out with a new one that has more stuff to it, and quite honestly, I'm loving a lot of it. So I did pick up a good amount of pieces. I do still have 2 pieces that are coming in and one that is on back order. The one on back order won't be until the end of January. The other 2 I just ordered, so I'll show them like on Insta stories or something like that when they come in. The first item I'm going to talk about is one of the things from the collaboration together, and it is a gorgeous necklace, and it is called the Deidre Double Horn Pendant. And guys, this thing is amazing. And when I got this in, this is what made me decide that I need the longer version as well. It also comes in a really long pendant. But this thing is just gorgeous. The stones in this, it has a gold chain that is interchangeable. It has larger and smaller pieces throughout the chain. The horn pendant is gold with these dark kind of almost on the gray side pave crystals. It is just gorgeous, and I'm actually gonna, I was thinking I was gonna wear it today anyway. So let's put it on and take a look. This thing is just gorgeous. I will try and post here below the names, and yes, look at that. I love it, and I love mixing metals, so I'm wearing my Roberto coin necklace that I hardly ever take off anymore, and just, I am obsessed with this. This is just gorgeous. For a long while there, I always loved, I don't even know if they still have this one. I'll have to look and see. This necklace here, I loved it because of the mixed metal, and I wore that one all the time. This one with the little bit of the crystal to it, oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. I am in love with this. So when I saw this one, I kind of went, okay, this is really nicer than I even thought it was going to be. So I decided I also wanted the horn pendant. It's called the Jansen Horn Pendant. And this is what it looks like, and that's it down there. So it has the same crystal to it right down here, but then it has some black beading in with the gold. It is just so pretty. I definitely have to pick that one up. It's just so different. I wear my long horn one, that this one is definitely discontinued. I wear this horn one quite frequently, so I definitely think that I will actually get the use out of that one. Although, see, it's going back to that process of, do I really need something that's similar to what I have? That one we will have to make a decision on. All right, let's go into bracelets. They did come up with 3 new stretch bracelets, 2 of which are the same name but have 2 different types. So it is actually called the Intention. So it's the Intention bracelets, and there is Courage and Strength. Oh, you hear that rain? Wow, that's crazy. So Courage is the one that has the little horn coming off the edge, and then Strength is the one that has the flat pendant style. But you can stack these together. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're so lightweight. They just look cute together. The Strength one, no, the Courage one has pinker beads. The Strength one has more of like gray beads, if you're interested to know the differences. They are both super comfortable and lightweight. I originally had picked up the one with the circle to it, which I think is the Strength, and then I ended up, I was like, I loved it so much I decided to get the other one that has the pink in it as well, which is the Courage. I might be saying that backwards. You'll be seeing, I'll be posting it down here so you'll know. Then they also came up with a 3rd stretch bracelet, and this one is just a gold one. It's kind of a brush gold, and it's actually called the Nicolette stretch bracelet in gold. It is, as I mentioned, I think more of a brushed gold, but you can easily layer this in with these and just kind of put them on together. And you've got this great little stack that is just super cute, easy to wear, lightweight. The next thing I picked up, okay, so first I picked up one of these, and this is called the Rhett Cuff in gold, and then it also comes, it's the same name, in silver. So I ordered the gold one, and I was obsessed with it. Like, it is so lightweight. Like, that's my new thing, is I don't want to feel like I'm wearing a lot of stuff. Now, if you are small-wristed, which I tend to be, it does kind of swing around a little bit. But I love the fact that it has these two lines of silver little balls actually going through the middle of it that gives it some dimension. So I was like, okay, I have to have the silver one because I wear so much silver. The silver one with just a little bit of gold has to be just like gorgeous, right? So I picked that one up as well. These things are just so lightweight. You can stack them together like this. I just absolutely love them. If I could only choose one, I would say to go with the gold one with the silver with it. Just something about that one just really stands out to me. The next thing I got is I got 3 different pairs of earrings. The first pair, I'm going to show you the first pair I picked up because I saw this color and was like, I have to have this. And the name of this is the Marie Double Drop Earring. And this thing, guys, I just was obsessed with the color. And actually, it's very neat with my lip color. So this is what it looks like. And first I got them in and I was like, oh no, they sent me 2 of the wrong ones. That's my OCD. That's my thought process. If you look in the book, no, this is the way it is supposed to be. They are so cute. I have put them on. They're super lightweight, which that was my biggest concern, is I was worried they were going to be heavy. But they're just so cute, so fun, so easy, just for a little something extra. Just how cute is that? I really am liking these ones a lot. So because I liked them so much, I was like, they had the red one, and I was like, it's like red and coral and pink. And I was like, okay, do I need this? But I thought it was just too cute to pass up. Summertime, this one is the Kessie drop earring. And for spring and summer, guys, I've been trying to, I was really bad for a long while there about earrings and not changing my earrings, but I've been really trying with my hair shorter. I feel like I just love with my hair shorter that little pop of something. But how cute are those? They're just so fun and just a cute little pop of color. You know, when you have your hair at this length, I just feel like it gives you a little bit something extra. If I could only have one, I would definitely go with this one. This one was a secondary choice for me just because I wasn't sure about the red at the bottom. I'm not a big red person, but I'm really glad I got them because of the pink and the coral in it. I think it's going to be gorgeous for this spring. Then there is one last pair of earrings and then 2 other things, and this is the CC chandeliers, and these I just had to have either way. These ones are gorgeous. I think I placed these with my first order. Oh, I should have shown you on here first. How pretty are these? They're just so cute. Like that, again, perfect for spring. And with my hair, it just stands out as a little something extra. Like, how pretty is that? Just something so simple, so cute, just so fun. Like, it really just stands out, and I am really loving that. All right, next thing I picked up, I had to have this. This was part of the collaboration. This is a camo print clutch. And I was like, I have so many, do use my clutches and I do interchange them out. Look at the gorgeous inside of this. It has the typical credit card holders along the side. This is a larger size clutch. It's more of an envelope size. I wasn't sure what I was gonna think of this camo print, but I love it. It's not too, you know, in your face. It's just kind of understated with like what I have on right now, not the earrings, but like a little black sweater and some jeans. It just is so cute. Then I love that so much, I went on to place an order when my discounts are still going on for the Day Tripper in the camo print. And I was in such a hurry, I hit the wrong color. I got it in the Arrow one by mistake. So this one is going back. And I have the Day Tripper coming to me in the camo print. That is the one that's on back order that won't be in for a while. But I'm super excited to get it in when it does come in. The only other thing that I have been considering, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, it's called the Ambrosia necklace. It's so many colors, so many layers, so many ways to wear it. It's 5-in-1, and it is just gorgeous. I love like these colors. I just wasn't sure. This is what it looks like on. I thought it was going to be too similar to this one, and I wear this one a lot in the summertime, but this one looks like it has more gold and a little bit lighter colors to it. This one's a little bit darker. This is the only other thing that I'm considering that I might get, and I have to make that decision fairly soon before my discount, you know, runs up for this collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul. I definitely think this is the new way that I'm going to be doing things, is not giving you guys like great big hauls where I would have shown you this plus a bunch of clothes I got and just do one big like fashion jewelry haul. I'm going to do more mini hauls so that you can get more information. It gives me more time to take better close-ups for you, to put the names in, to give you all the information I can possibly give you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, let me tell you what I am wearing. On my face, I have a Bye Bye Redness. I have on Tarte CC Corrector Dior Forever Undercover Foundation, It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Powder, Too Faced Park Avenue Princess Bronzer, one of the bronzers in the set as my contour. What did I blend out with today? I think it was Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess I blended out with. On my eyes is a bunch of MAC shadows with my my Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Taupe. My eyebrows are my Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo. On my lips today, guys, I did an Insta Live where I got ready, and I'm obsessed with this lip color lately, guys. I had it on in a picture from the last weekend that went by, and I'm obsessed with this type of color. I actually am going to do, I think, a video next week on my beauty day that I kind of talk about this type of lip and some different options I picked up for it. But I definitely want to test them out first a little bit. So, but I am loving this and really enjoying it. This is Urban Decay Vice lipstick in Venom, and the 24/7 lip pencil in the color Venom as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any other questions on anything you saw here. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.